Rising from the misty plains of East Java, BROMO TENGGER SEMERU National Park is a land where fire and sky meet in a breathtaking dance. At dawn, the first rays of sunlight ignite a sea of volcanic peaks. Mount Bromo smoldering gently beside the mighty Semeru, Indonesia's highest active volcano. The air trembles with mystery as clouds swirl through the vast Tengger Caldera, painting an otherworldly landscape that feels almost alive. The whisper of ancient spirits lingers in the wind, carried across the sea of sand, where pilgrims come to honor the sacred mountain. Here, creation and destruction coexist, a living reminder of Earth's raw power and timeless beauty.